Yes, sir. To colonel, sir, or to general? Again, yes, sir. Again, sir. Um, at first, sir, who was always active and always be professional. If I saw one of them is being always a professional on their job and always active, I will choose him to become lead. Um, sir, on that thing is first of all, I will open my body cam. Then I will talk to them one by one. I don't want to talk to them in front of everyone because maybe they gonna hurt their feelings for being um and talk to them about why they wait, sir, someone calling. Okay, I will ask them one by one if why they not following my orders, and there's a punishment with it because they're not following the orders from the generals, and I just give them a warning. So maybe verbal warning. I'm not giving them a warning for to lead them to have a reprimand, because if I do that, maybe they will scared of me. So I just give them a verbal warning first, so they can change the attitudes and be more good at their work and be more what do you call that mm, yeah, professional, yeah. Maintain a discipline. um um okay, by the word of discipline is they need to follow rules um by the orders of their higher ups, and maintain their self-control, and carry out responsibility consistently, even in a difficult situation, sir. If the soldiers, even though it's low rank than me, if the suggestion is better than mine, I will accept it. Because a better suggestion is good for our services, also in the whole army. Because if I didn't accept that, uh, it's a big effect on our community, on our family here in the army. Maybe if it's better, maybe that has a good effect on the army. So I will accept it, sir. Pardon, sir. Um, if the order is stay at all costs, I will stay, sir. To hold at all costs, I will hold, sir. Even though it costs of my life, sir. Because as the order said is hold the position at all costs. What, sir? For me, sir, most dangerous is um the soldiers, sir. If they're not loyal to the army, because maybe they can throw us like talk to the gang member and send them to the, like for example in the MT, a soldiers is not all of them are not loyal to us. Maybe they call to the, because all of the soldiers in the warehouse one, maybe they tell to the gang member that, okay guys, go to the warehouse 2, there's no guarding on the warehouse 2 right now, so we will lose at the on that time. But if the leader is weak, um they can learn, that leader is can learn more thing about what happened. For example, they said, um what do you call that,
Permission
unexperience.
to Spamacar, sir, for my task.
Granted,
Experience
granted, sir.
is
Go ahead.
better than teaching, because if the experience teach you, you will not forget that. But if someone teach you about, for example on the base guide or RP lesson, if you teach someone to RP lesson, you're not 100% that they will remember that what you told them. But if they uh, experience how to RP, they will remember it for a long time. they will not forget that how to do our RP. Yeah, thank you, sir.